Welcome to this quick overview of Israel. In this video, we will explore some interesting facts and information about this Middle Eastern country. Let's get started. Israel is located in the Middle East, bordered by Lebanon to the north, Syria to the northeast, Jordan to the east, and Egypt to the southwest. The Mediterranean Sea lies to the west. Israel has a diverse landscape, ranging from the Negev Desert in the south to the mountainous regions in the north. The Dead Sea, the lowest point on Earth, is also located in Israel. Israel is a country rich in history and culture, with many important religious sites for Jews, Christians, and Muslims. Some of the most famous landmarks include the Western Wall, the Dome of the Rock, and the Church of the Holy Sepulchre. Israel is also known for its advanced technology and innovation. The country has a thriving tech industry, with companies such as Waze, Mobily, and Checkpoint Software Technologies all hailing from Israel. Israeli cuisine is a blend of various Mediterranean and Middle Eastern flavors. Some popular dishes include falafel, hummus, and shakshuka. Israel is home to a diverse population of people from various ethnic and religious backgrounds. Hebrew and Arabic are the official languages of Israel. Israel is a popular destination for tourists, with many visitors coming to see the historical and religious landmarks as well as the beaches and nightlife. And that's it for our quick overview of Israel. Thanks for watching.